What
Which
is going?
country has the same name as an animal?
Chucky.
Ghana.
Ghana. Yes.
Yo, yo, I'm gonna clip this one. I'm gonna clip this one and share this one everywhere. That is
Which
crazy.
country has the same name as an animal?
Ghana.
Ghana. Yes.
Ghana.
No way,
I
bro.
swear to God,
No
you will
way,
be
bro.
hospitalized.
Why do you say Ghana?
Chimpanzees are here.
What? Did I hear you right?
So we look like chimpanzee.
I go make you jail. I go make you. I go set you as an example.
So it's Ghana. The answer is Ghana.
Is that how human being is?
I'm crying. And bro said chimpanzees are here and they look like chimpanzees. I'm crying. That is funny.